most common reason why the people will get renal stones are most important thing is less intake of water. Taking less than 2 or 2.5 liters of water leads to the stone formation, and in association with regular intake of tomato and palak. And few people they take a regular non-vegetarian diet as a habit, and those also will get the high incidence of renal stone formation. Just to prevent renal stone formation, one should take plenty of water, that is consumption of the water more than 3 liters in a day, and avoiding tomato and palak intake, and also dairy milk products intake. And intake of non-vegetarian should be less. They can take monthly twice or thrice maximum, not more than that. And second most common problem in our practice is, especially in old age people, they come with the urinary symptoms like a decreased urinary stream, burning micturition, frequency, urgency. And the patients who are presenting with these symptoms, they should come for the checkup by a urologist. And most common problem in these age group would be a BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. So these people, if they come early and they take early health medical advice, it can be managed medically, that is with the medicines. If they neglect the problem and it becomes severe, they may require a surgery called TURP. So just to avoid a surgery, prostatic surgery, one should come for regular checkup, and initially if they come, it can be managed conservative. And I am also an andrologist. In andrology we deal infertility problems which takes place in the male counterpart, and also I treat patients who come with impotence problems, sexually related problems. Those two problems also can be treated very efficiently at Aditya. So male counterpart infertility problems, we have got the total investigation set up at Aditya, and we can treat them well.